Getting the Jayco J-Flight SLX ready. It's been sitting for a long time, since the beginning of COVID. Had to replace the batteries, which got me thinking about other things. So I put two new deep cycle 6-volt batteries in. The old ones had dried out because I wasn't looking after them. And I thought, well, I've got three 40-watt solar panels that I was going to put on my Defender project. I decided to put two of them in for the travel trailer. I was originally going to put them up on the roof, but most of the time this has a cover on it, and I would like to have the solar panels even when they're connected to it, even when the cover is on it. Trickle charging and maintaining the batteries. And that way I don't have to run an extension cord out to this thing. So I've got them just hung up on a couple of screws on the wall, which is where they will stay when the travel trailer is just stored in the driveway. And they are wired to, they each came with their own 8 amp charge controllers, so I just used each one of those there. I left the third solar panel for the Defender project. And then you can go to Canadian Tire and you can get these connectors that go straight onto the battery. I was going to make one, but turns out that you can buy them for like $9 each. And so I've wired them to the negative post, both of them, and positive post, both of them, for the post that's used by the travel trailer. So I'm not using negative positive on any particular battery because these are combined to make 12 volts. So you really want to be out on the posts that are connecting to the trailer. And so I'll just put the battery covers back on. And yeah, I mean, I've got these zap strapped on here right now, the controllers, but not going to come off very often, and zap straps are pretty cheap, so I can cut those off when I'm filling up the tank. And the reason they're there is, in part, is because I can put the propane tank cover over top of that. And right now it's just I'm using the wheel cover, like so. But if I put a proper one over it, I can still fit those guys in there for sure. And so each one of these are 40 watts, so I think they're 40 watts each, so I've got 80 watts, which is beyond battery maintenance. It actually would charge up the battery even on a dim day, so that's good.